In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email address in Bluehost fast and easy, step by step. This is perfect if you want a professional business email like info@yourdomain.com instead of using a generic personal address. It only takes a few minutes, and I'll walk you through the whole process so you can follow along with confidence. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click Hosting. This will take you to the hosting tools for your website. From there, find and click CPanel Email. Bluehost keeps email management inside this section, so this is where you'll create and manage your business email accounts. Next, click Email Accounts. This is the area where all of your existing email addresses are listed and where you can add a new one. If this is your first time setting up email, the page may look very simple, but that's completely normal. After that, click Continue. Bluehost may take a moment to load the email account management page, so just wait for it to open fully before moving on. Now, look for the plus or create button in the top right corner and click it. This starts the process of making your new email address. You'll now need to choose your domain. If you own more than one domain in Bluehost, make sure you select the correct one because this determines the ending of your email address. For example, if your domain is yourwebsite.com, your email could become info@yourwebsite.com. Once you've selected the domain, enter the email name you want. A common choice is info, support, contact, or your own name. Try to choose something that matches how you plan to use the inbox, especially if this is for a business or brand. Keep it simple, professional, and easy to remember. After that, create a strong password for the account. Make sure it's secure and not something easy to guess. If you're planning to use this email for work or customer communication, a strong password is very important for protecting your inbox. You can also store the password safely somewhere so you don't lose access later. When everything is filled out, click Create one more time. Bluehost will then create your new email address and add it to your account. In just a moment, your new email should be ready to use. From there, you can connect it to webmail, a desktop email app, or your phone so you can start sending and receiving messages. And that's it. You've successfully created an email address in Bluehost. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.